All right, my Arizona homeowners, let's cut through some noise. Everyone loves to talk about buying a home here in Arizona, but almost nobody talks about what it really costs to own one. Now, don't panic. Truth is, when you understand the real cost, you stay in control and you build long-term wealth. But if you ignore it, that's where people get blindsided in homeownership. Hi everyone, I'm Katie Evans, the real estate boss mom with the Living 48 real estate team, and today we're going to pull back that curtain again on the actual costs of owning a home here in Arizona. So, I'm not doing this to scare you, I'm doing this to empower you. This is going to be your behind-the-scenes cheat sheet to staying ahead, keeping your home valuable, and protecting your peace of mind in the desert. Yep, here in Arizona. All right, so let's jump right into it. First point, we have an Arizona sun tax. Yes, and it's not the villain that you think that it is, I promise. We love the sunshine. We brag about it. This is why people want to live here. But it is no secret, it's really, really hard on your house. So here's the deal. The paint fades faster, your roofs age a little bit sooner, the stucco's gonna crack, the windows kind of, do their thing over time. Irrigation, kind of a non-negotiable. But here's really the part that nobody talks about. Homes, they hold their value better than homes in the states that have these really, really harsh winters and consistent storm damage. So you're gonna get it there, you're gonna get it here, it's just a different kind of thing. So in Arizona, I want you to take care of your exterior a little bit each year, and the desert will pay you back with strong equity growth. All right, point number 2, your HVAC. This is your air conditioning heating system. The Arizona superhero, you cannot thank it enough. And I am not exaggerating. Your AC system is the MVP of your house. It's running more than most systems do in the country. So yes, it needs a little extra love. We're gonna tune this baby up twice a year. Some repairs are gonna be necessary along the way, and you can start to budget for replacement about every 10 to 12 years. But for a well-maintained system, it lowers your bills, it improves your air quality, it becomes a selling point that buyers jump at. Point number 3, the HOA fees that everyone loves to hate. Look, totally get it, HOAs can feel annoying, but here is the real truth about them. They protect your property value. Those dues cover things that you'd just rather not deal with. In some cases, they're going to deal with landscaping. They're going to deal with road care. There's amenities that you get, parks in the neighborhood. In some cases, you're even getting the exterior of your unit taken care of for you. Fees are going to go up periodically, but 99% of the time, it's tied to your upgrades that make your neighborhood stronger and keep your values better long-term. All right, number 4, desert landscaping. Low maintenance, not no maintenance. I wish we could say there was no maintenance, but there is a no maintenance. Okay, so even low water yards are gonna need some check-ins. You're gonna need some irrigation tweaks. There's probably dripper systems, those kind of things. You'll still need to trim the trees. You're still gonna need to trim the bushes. Seasonal plants, you'll have to take out and refresh, those kind of things. There's gonna be some monsoon debris, yep. But the payoff, it's going to be better curb appeal, it's lower water usage, and your home is going to show that pride of ownership the second that somebody pulls up in front of it. All right, number 5, this is probably one of my favorite. Pools. Yes, pools cost money, and yes, in my opinion, they're totally worth it. A pool in Arizona isn't necessarily a luxury, it's more of like a lifestyle. So there are maintenance costs, there's water costs, all the things. So maintenance, cleaning, chemicals, repairs, resurfacing. But when it's well cared for, buyers are going to line up for it. And you're going to get years of enjoyment out of it in the meantime. Point number 6, appliances. Guys, everything here works a little bit harder. The heat's no joke. The hard water's no joke. So that means our appliances are going to have shorter lifespans. They're probably going to need more frequent repairs, sooner replacements. But the good news is the newer appliances are going to be more efficient, and buyers notice when a home has updated systems. Here's a little bonus tip for you. Soft water system, worth it. All right, number 7, insurance. Not scary, it's just smart. Having homeowners insurance or a home warranty isn't about fear, it's about being prepared. The monsoon season alone is reason enough to review your policy every few years. You need to know what's covered, you need to know what the limitations are, what's not covered, what's worth upgrading. A quick review now is going to save you massive stress and maybe even massive dollars in the future. All right, number 8, small repairs. It is the secret to home ownership, long-term wealth. This is where disciplined homeowners win. Organized homeowners win. Little things prevent big issues. Fix leaks fast. If you find one, fix it. Clean out your dryer vents. Replace the weather stripping around your doors and windows. Refresh your caulking. Tune up the plumbing and electrical. These small, boring jobs that are the ones that protect your equity for the long haul. All right, so here's the bottom line. Arizona homeownership isn't really expensive. It is compared. It's strategic. If you understand the rhythm of maintaining a home in the desert, you're going to, number 1, protect your investment, reduce your stress, you're going to stay ahead of the repairs, and you're going to build long-term wealth. And that is the whole goal. So to wrap up our video today, if you are thinking about buying, selling, or even just planning for 2026, reach out to me. I'm going to walk you through the real numbers, the real strategy, and the smartest path forward. No surprises, no sugarcoating, because you know, it's me, the real estate boss mom. So let's go ahead, have you message me, DM me, call me, text me, whatever, anytime. Let's make your next step your smartest one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on our next video.